Yes. We have a so-called coordination letter. Ganito po kasi yan. Pag merong mga certain complaints na bumababa sa amin, and it requires, for example, secondary road, tertiary road, barangay road, lahat po yan we give due courtesy to the barangay na pinaka-approve namin yung coordination letter. At yung coordination letter niya, naka-indicate po doon na you have to present all existing ordinances. So once na wala kayong pinresent, considered wala. So ngayon, mangyayari, pag nag-operate kami, biglang dadating si Kagawad. Sasabihin, Sir, meron po kami ordinansa. Why you did not represent it during the coordination? Eh kasi po, hindi naman po namin alam, etc. etc. So doon tayo nagkakaroon ng problema. But when it comes to the coordination, we are well coordinated. Kasi, in fairness kung maraming barangay na sumasakit ang ulo namin, maraming barangay din na I applaud them for being cooperative. Marami kami natatanggap for the past 2-3 years. Barangay na mismo humingi, Sir Gab, kailangan po namin ng clearing operation. Sir Gab, ayaw po makinig sa amin. So in fairness, 20 to 30% of the LGU or the barangay, very cooperative. But, as I said, no, meron at meron pa rin talaga mga kompromiso.